sky and candy clouds.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a demo and a review on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so jumping right in, I'm going to start off by priming my face. This is the normal step that I take, and I do like to apply my eyebrows before I apply anything else. So I'm just applying that, and then I'm going in with the Brow Wiz in Ebony. The reason why I'm going in with this is because of the simple fact that my eyebrows are very sparse, as you guys can see here. So I did need to give myself some type of shape to have kind of like a guide for the brow pen. Now that I have my shape, I'm going to go in with the brow pen. The brow pen color that I'm going in with is in Ebony as well. So now I'm just going to create some hair-like strokes, and I'm not doing them perfectly. I tried to picture like how they would look if I did have brow hairs at the front of my brows. Because my brows are kind of, even though they're very sparse, like they are kind of very wild. So I tried to just go in and match like the rest of my brow hair. So that's what I'm doing here. Just taking some light brow like strokes to give me the most natural look. And I absolutely love this brow pen already, but I'll just go ahead and let you guys finish watching me doing that. So here's the result after I've done that, and of course I'm going to go in and clean them up, and I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut, and then I'm using a brush by Morphe. I'll list it in the description box below because I cannot remember it at the moment, but I'll let you guys go ahead and watch that, and I will finish out with my closing thoughts about this brow pen. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen my demo, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about this product. So let's just jump right in. Before we jump right into how I feel about this brow pen, I did want to let you guys know what I'm wearing on my lips. I know most of the time when I'm wearing a nude lip, it probably looks the same, but I am a person who is obsessed with nude lipstick, lip gloss, lip stains, lip whatever. So more than likely it's probably different. But I wanted to share this one with you guys today. This is actually one of my absolute favorite glosses, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Butterscotch. So I wanted to share my lippy with you guys, and of course I am wearing my favorite MAC Chestnut for liner. So anyways, let's go ahead and get right into this brow pen. So today I am reviewing the one in Ebony. As you guys seen, I did go ahead and put it in combination with my Brow Wiz. And this is also in Ebony, and the reason why I did that is because I do like my brows to look a certain way, and also my brows are really sparse, like as you guys seen at the beginning, like they're super sparse. So I had to kind of create a shape in order to even be able to use this. Now I feel like who this is like super perfect for is those people that have like really full brows. And it's also perfect for people like me who have sparse brows, but the people who have like full brows, like to just be able to like do hair like strokes to kind of fill in or shape where, you know, you need shape, or to fill in, you know, the sparse areas. I feel like this is perfect. I also feel like this is perfect for people like me who have sparse brows because of the simple fact that I now have brow hairs in the front. Okay, honey, I'm coming close so you can see. I now have brow hairs in the front, and that is only thanks to this pen, okay? Like, do you guys see? Like, I'm giving you guys like inner brow hair realness, and there is literally none there. So yeah, overall this was really easy to work with. I really did like it. I really do love the felt tip on it and how sharp it is, because that allows for me to be more sparse with, or precise. Sparse, what am I talking about? It allows me to be more precise when I'm trying to go ahead and draw those brow hairs. And yes, like this is how I've been wanting my brows to look for years, okay? Like these, like I know these brows might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I am in love with the way my brows look, and this is going to be my brow routine for a long while now, because I really do love it. So yeah, I had to use a combination of the two, but if you have fuller brows, you definitely could just use this on its own. But I love the Brow Wiz. This is actually what I use because you do get a more precise application with this as well. I actually usually use this one in collaboration. And I also use this. I use this one, and I also use Granite or Granite, however you pronounce it. I use both of these to go ahead and try to get this look, but they needed to create this, and I'm so glad that they did, because now I can get like the perfect brows that I am looking for. Overall, I really think that this brow pen is absolutely amazing. Like, I would definitely recommend it. Now, as far as price point, I don't really know how much it costs. I just knew that I wanted to try it because this is the look that I wanted to achieve, and I was like, if I can't achieve this look like with this brow pen, like, I'm just gonna give up, child. But yeah, so I didn't pay attention to how much it was. Anastasia Beverly Hills is usually very good on prices, in my personal opinion. I feel like if you want a certain quality of things with makeup, you do have to pay a little bit more. Now, granted, there is things out there where you can kind of dupe it for, because I am going to do like the best brow products at the drugstore. I'm going to do a video on that pretty soon here, but I feel like this, like these two, like this is like holy grail brow products for me, okay? This one has just been added. This has always been there, but this is definitely a holy grail of mine now. Like, I must have this. I hope they don't stop making this, because this, like, I can't even stop looking at my brows. Like, I keep looking in the mirror like, is this really my brows? Like, oh my gosh, it just looks so good. But anyways, I really do like this Divas, and I would definitely recommend it. If you guys tried it out, definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know how you guys feel about it. Yeah, Divas, that's pretty much how I feel. I hope that this video was very helpful and easy to follow. If it was, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous Divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, Divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you fabulous girls in my next video. Bye.